Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel table in Word. First, open your Word document and the Excel spreadsheet you wish to use. You have two main options, embedding the table or linking it. Embedding copies the data, while linking maintains a connection to the original Excel file. We'll explore both methods, highlighting when each is most effective for your needs. To embed an Excel table, simply select the cells you want from your spreadsheet. Copy them, then switch to your Word document. Instead of a regular paste, use Paste Special from the Home tab. Here, select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object and click OK. This creates a static copy of your table in Word, perfect if you don't expect future changes to the data. For a dynamic table, linking is the way to go. Copy your Excel cells as before. In Word, go to Paste Special, but this time, choose Paste Link before selecting Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. This establishes a live connection. If you change data in your original Excel file, the Word table will update automatically, ensuring your document always shows the latest information. Deciding between embedding versus linking depends on your needs. Embed when your data is static, like a historical report, as it makes the Word document self-contained. Link when your Excel data is dynamic, such as a budget that changes weekly. Remember, linked tables need access to the source Excel file, while embedded tables are independent once placed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.